Cardi B has a good defense in her lawsuit where she's being sued.
She has a defense. We'll let the judge decide if it's a good one.
Guy's not black. Guy's not black.
The guy who's suing me isn't black, and so therefore, throw this whole thing out, Judge. She's talking about the lawsuit that she was hit with over her album cover. This was the album art on her mixtape.
We can't show everything here.
But there is, what you're seeing there is the back of a man who is performing a sex act on Cardi. Yeah. Anyway, the lawsuit is over the tattoo on his back. Now, the guy who sued said, look, that tattoo you're seeing on the album cover is
his tattoo.
It's my tattoo. That they saw my photo on the internet. It's a tiger fighting a snake. It's very unique, he says, and they clearly have ripped off my back tattoo. Well, Cardi says that's absurd because you're a white guy from Orange County. The guy in the photo is clearly an African-American.
See, but it doesn't answer the question because...
About the art, exactly. That's why I say it's not a good
Even if it's not the same tattoo on his back, if it copies the tattoo of his guy, then it's his work.
The guy's race, white or black, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it's just fun to talk about.
It is fun to talk about. Absolutely.
Makes a great headline.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Cardi.
It's fun to talk about. I don't know. Listen, I'm not a lawyer, Harvey. I've heard that you are. And so in these situations, I don't know where people come up for these sort of excuses or if this is something that Cardi just worked up.
Well, what I don't understand is why do people copy stuff where they know they're going to get in trouble and not just do original stuff? They're artists.
In terms of a mixtape, there's a lot of shenanigans that happens on the cover of mixtapes. A lot of times with the mixtapes,
because the studio, because the record label has nothing to do with it.
Right,
usually.
This might happen like a mixtape is something you put out yourself. I've seen mixtapes with pictures out of magazines and stuff like that. You put them on there, and normally they're small enough to where they don't catch the eye of people.
Right.
Remember there was a Kim Kardashian story not too long ago where someone took a picture of her and put it on the cover of a flyer or a mixtape or something like that. She got all mad. Yeah. But every once in a while, people get mad. They say, "Take my face off your mixtape," and this is what happened in the Cardi.
Or in this case, take my back.